Understanding cryptocurrency. Everything a beginner needs to know. Cryptocurrency. It's confusing. How do they work? What can we do with them? Why is everyone talking about bits and dogs? How does it make people rich? This video will address all of these questions and many more. Here's all you need to know about cryptocurrency so you can get ready for the future and wow your friends. Cryptocurrency resembles traditional money, except it's totally digital. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that establishes an alternative payment method by employing encryption mechanisms. Cryptocurrencies may be used as both money and a virtual accounting system thanks to the use of encryption technologies. To use cryptocurrencies, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. These wallets might be software installed on your PC or mobile device, or they could be cloud-based services. Wallets are the devices that store the encryption keys that allow you to authenticate your identity and access your Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies have grown in popularity in the recent years, with more than 1,600 of them available as of 2018, and it's only getting bigger. The term cryptocurrency has a variety of meanings. You've most likely heard of Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum among the most prominent cryptocurrencies. They're becoming more widely used as online payment methods. Cryptocurrency is available in a wide range of forms, sizes, and uses. Cryptocurrency may be thought of as a type of stored value that is not controlled by governments or central institutions such as banks, states, or corporations. All manufacturing records, as well as when it's delivered or received, are recorded in a massive digital book that anybody can see, guaranteeing that they are correct. It can't be stolen or confiscated and can be used anywhere on the planet. Cryptocurrencies allow you to lend, trade, purchase, and borrow money without using your real name, credit score, or even a bank. Some coins can be used to transmit value measured in a currency such as dollars more cheaply and quickly than credit or other traditional methods. It is therefore less expensive to send someone crypto, which can be turned into ordinary cash, than it is to send someone a check or a wire transfer. Because cryptocurrencies function without the help of a bank or a central authority, new units can only be introduced if specific criteria are satisfied. With Bitcoin, for example, the miner is only paid with Bitcoins once a block has been uploaded to the blockchain, and this is the only way new Bitcoins may be created. Bitcoins have a maximum supply of 21 million, after which no more will be created. What are the dangers of Bitcoin use? Cryptocurrencies are still in their development, and the market for them is pretty volatile. Cryptocurrencies are uninsured and challenging to convert into a type of real money such as US dollars or euros, since they're not regulated by banks or any other third party. Furthermore, because cryptocurrencies are intangible technology assets based on technology, they may be hacked just like any other intangible technology asset. Finally, because you keep your cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet, you risk losing your whole cryptocurrency investment if you lose your wallet, access to it, or wallet backups. Why is it making people rich? Some people have grown relatively wealthy as a result of the fluctuating value of cryptocurrencies, similar to stocks. Bitcoin was worth pennies on the dollar when it was first released in 2010, but it is now worth more than $60,000 per coin. Because demand for Bitcoin is increasing and supply is decreasing, simple economics implies that its value will rise. Well, this concludes our basic cryptocurrency tutorial. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends.